What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily clean your sheet pan with just one product. Now, my sheet pan is over 10 years old, so it really has some baked on grease and grime. So keep in mind with this method, since my pan is so old, it's not going to look absolutely brand new after this. It's going to have some stains and scratches. However, if you do try this and your pan is not as old as mine, it is going to look brand new. So all I'm doing is taking some Zep oven cleaner and spraying it directly on the sheet pan. You could also use Easy Off. I just prefer to use the Zep oven cleaner and just generously coat it all over the areas that have a lot of the baked on grease. I recommend wearing gloves and doing this in a well-ventilated area so you're not breathing in all of those chemicals. After you sprayed your sheet pan, go ahead and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then you will want to take some steel wool or a Brillo pad so that you can give your sheet pan a good scrub. In my opinion, this does a much better job than using the baking soda, dish soap, and all those concoctions of things that you can make. This just gets it off a lot easier. After you've given it a good scrub, then you want to go ahead and wash it off with some dish soap. And that is it. Here is the before and the after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel.